On the topic then of, getting those partnerships, are there any tips or tricks, that you would have for another, healthcare entrepreneur, not necessarily clinic owner, but, a business such as yourself, um, an organization really, what tips have you learned along the way when it comes to forming great partnerships with, adjacent businesses?
Yeah. I say this all the time to the colleagues, and other entrepreneurs that I mentor is forming strategic partnerships is going to be the most important thing for your business. Just, when it comes to just expanding services too, UberDoc right now, is we connect patients to doctors for consults, right? Or an appointment. But there are so many other healthcare services that happen out there. And there's imaging and there's, surgery and there's prescriptions and things like that. And UberDoc doesn't really service those things, right? We just make the appointment. As a startup who has like competing priorities, right, has capacity, issues and constraints when it comes to funding, our consumers were coming to us and saying, hey, like it's great, I got in, to a doctor, but like what other healthcare services can I access through UberDoc that I can pay cash for, right? Because it's going to be cheaper and quicker for me. And we spent a lot of time being like, oh, how can we bundle services or how can we offer all these different all these different services within healthcare? And then we realized it's not in our wheelhouse, right? That's
Yeah.
just not what we are. So what we did is we partnered with other people who had that in their wheelhouse. So we partnered with a cash pay prescription company, right, that offers mail
Mm,
order prescriptions for cash. So, our doctors are able or our patients are able to see a doctor through UberDoc, and then the doctor can order the prescription through our partner. We did the exact same thing with imaging. We partnered with a wonderful radiologist who has a bunch of radiology clinics, who does cash pay imaging. I think it's really important I think as an entrepreneur, like you want to do all the things, right? You want to offer all the services and then figure out how you can do that. But like, don't do the things that aren't in your wheelhouse. It's really important to focus on like what is, what you're an expert on and what you've built, and then leverage other people for those other services and to scale.